How to set up proxy auto configure PAC on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and you will see first option is Connections. Click on Connections and click on Wi-Fi. After click on Wi-Fi, click on the settings icon and click on View More. After click on View More, you will see click on Proxy and click on Auto Configure. After click on Auto Configure, so you will add. After add, click on Save. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set up Proxy Auto Configure PAC on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.